Welcome to my Getting Started with Freshly Milled Flour guide. I plan to cover anything that you could possibly need to know about why to mill your grain, how to choose grains, what equipment you're going to need, and provide you with basic recipes for any category of baking. What does that mean? Bread, pasta, and pastries. Those are the three categories of baking. Our bread, we have a lean dough without any fat or sugar. Our enriched dough includes fat and sugar, sometimes honey. Our pasta, not everyone likes bread, right? And if you've got kids especially, or someone with a sweet tooth, pastries are going to be where you might want to start your milling journey. So we're covering pancakes, waffles, muffins, cupcakes, and more. I hope you'll join me, ask questions, and share with your friends so that you can start your baking with fresh milled flour journey ahead of the majority of people.